Okay, I wanted to show this multiplication method, pyramid style method, why it works. It's basically a combination of a 2 digits at a time with sort of the Indian style method where you might do this number times this number and this number times this number and write that down, and then do a, if you was good enough you could do it in your head, but you'd have to be a legendary son of a bitch. Basically you got right, we got 43 times 15, which is what is it, right, that's 645. And then we got 12 times 43, which is 600 and or no, it's 516. And 13 times 15, right? Now, you should, if you're advanced enough, you should be able to just do that in your head and just write that as one number right there. Those two, right? Because that's another step, and it kind of fucks things up when you don't know, how to add things up in your head. That would be 711 now that I think about it, but ain't gonna worry about that. We do 16 times 15, which is I'm going to do 13 times 43, which is 5, 9. 12 times 13 is 156. Right? And then we do 13 squared, which is 169, not to be confused with 14 squared, which is 196. 12 times 16 is, of course, 192. Then we do 16 times 13, which is it's 208, right? This is sort of like a way that pyramid style method could work. You really got to get good at adding numbers up in your head, and you'd be a genius. The reason I knew this was the bottom of the pyramid is, of course, because that's the most work. Right, once you start getting over here and you do this number times this number and this number times this number and you ignore this, it's better to just start going upwards. But we do 2 numbers across because we multiply by 2 numbers, so instead of 1 number across, it's 2 numbers across. So we got 45 as part of our answer. And here we have 12 plus 5 is 17. Nine, 10, 11. So we got 7 here. plus 9 is 16. Plus 6, that's 22. And here we have 2 5s plus a 6 is 16. And we got 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 there. Plus 7 is 19. Plus 1 is 20. So we have that also. So carry the 2 up here, and now we have or wait, no, we skipped a row here, I think. Put the 2 up here on top of the 9, making that 11. And then if you add 6 to that, that's 17. And if you add 1 to this, you got 8, 9, 10, 11. The better you are at doing mental arithmetic, the much quicker you can do this. I'm sure if you were smart enough, you could do this like it were nothing. Anyway, you bring down the 21, you bring down the 17, you bring down the 0, 6, 2, you bring down the other 17, and then you got 4 and 5, which gives you an answer of 2,117,162,145. It's actually supposed to be 75. Or there's supposed to be a 7 in there. See the 7, I forgot to add the 7 there. To get the picture though, it's late. The 7's actually supposed to be over here. It's late. I'm not thinking very clearly, but let's see how our answer is actually going to be read. Because I'm kind of tired here. Okay, so it'd be about 21,170,621,745. Okay, so that's the answer, and I'm done for tonight.